Good. Dear students, today's topic is potentization. Definition: homeopathic dynamization are process by which the dynamic curative power of medicinal properties which are latent in natural substance while in their crude state becomes awakened and developed for use as homeopathic healing remedies by two methods, succussion and trituration, in definite order according to Homeopathy Pharmacopoeia, HPI, Homeopathy Pharmacopoeia of India. Potentization of crude natural substance take place in the case of dry substances by means of trituration in a mortar and pestle, time 60 minutes for each trituration. In the case of liquid substance, by means of shaking, jerk, stroke in glass file, 10 downward stroke for each succussion. The doctrine of drug dynamization was introduced into homeopathy through the fifth edition of Organon of Medicine, published in 1833 by Dr. Hahnemann. Actually, Dr. Hahnemann's view was that every drug substance have a dynamic curative power, but it is in a latent form. So before prescribe to patient, you must be aroused it by reduction the material doses from the mother tincture, mother solution and mineral kingdom stepwise in centesimal or decimal scale with the help of suitable vehicle by the succussion or trituration method. The flow chart of potentization is: material doses means latent dynamic power, then reduction the original drug, that is called the process of arousing. Stepwise step original drug substance is reduced means in decimal, centesimal or 50 millisimal scale. Dynamic curative power is aroused means it has no material or even no traces of original drug. It is called dynamic homeopathic serial dilution or homeopathy dilution because it has no original drug substances. So dear student, homeopathy medicine has no material dosage and it is work on the patient through the dynamic nature of vital force. This is the specialty of homeopathy. The effect of dynamization. Dear student, the effect of dynamization is depend on the reduction of material dosage. If we reduce the material dosage, the therapeutic activity of that medicine is increased. It is the basic science of potentization. Next is increase in potential energy determined by different scales. We reduce the material doses, so potential energy is increased and it is determined by the different scales means decimal scale, centesimal scale, and 50 millisimal scale. Next is gaining of the maximum potential energy or dynamic power. By the reduction of material doses, its potential energy is increased, its dynamic power is increased, its therapeutic activity is increased. It is the well-known fact of the potentization, and it is verified in the part of the treatment by the physicians. Phenomena of dynamization. Potentization includes two phenomena. One is the dilution, number two is the friction. Dear student, never confuse dilution with a simple dilution. Dilution in homeopathy means it is a serial dilution made by step by the succussion process in the decimal scale, centesimal scale, and 50 millisimal scale. It is not a simple dilution. It is a serial dilution. By this method means succussion, we potentize the mother tincture, mother aqueous solution, and mother alcoholic solution. The number two is the friction. Friction means trituration. Trituration is done those drug substances which are insoluble in alcohol and in purified water. Those substances are insoluble in alcohol, ethyl alcohol, and in purified water is potentized by the friction or trituration method by the sugar of milk in mortar pestle in 60 minutes process. This is called the trituration. Factors of potentization. It depends on two factors. Number one, nature of the drug. Number two, the solvent or vehicle. What is the nature of the drug? Every drug is soluble in some special type of vehicle. If the drug substance is soluble in ethyl alcohol, we are use the vehicle is ethyl alcohol. The product is called the mother tincture. If the drug substance is soluble in purified water, we are use the vehicle purified water. The product is called mother aqueous solution. Some chemicals are only dissolved in ethyl alcohol. We are use the vehicle here is the ethyl alcohol. The product is called alcoholic mother solution. So nature of the drug is important. As per the nature of the drug, we are use the solvent or vehicle. So vehicle extract all the active principles of that drug, and we are potentize that product. This is called the factors of potentization, nature of the drug, and the solvent of the vehicle. Relation between the factors. Some drugs are not soluble in ethyl alcohol and purified water. These drugs are subjected to trituration. For the trituration, we use the solid vehicle sugar of milk. So solid vehicle sugar of milk is used for insoluble drug substances. Second is the liquid vehicle. Ethyl alcohol is used for drug soluble in liquid vehicle. Purified water is used in preparing aqueous mother solution and potency. So student, in the trituration, sugar of milk is used. For the preparation of mother tincture, ethyl alcohol is used. For the preparation of aqueous mother solution, purified water is used. For the preparation of alcoholic mother solution, ethyl alcohol is used. Process of dynamization. Dear students, drugs are potentized principally by two processes. Number one, trituration. In case of insoluble substances, the drug substances those are insoluble in ethyl alcohol and in purified water are subject to trituration, and trituration is done by the solid vehicle sugar of milk. So this is called the trituration. Next is the succussion. Succussion in case of soluble substances means mother tincture, alcoholic mother solution, aqueous mother solutions are potentized by the ethyl alcohol or purified water by the succussion process. Scales of potentization for trituration. Dear student, in the potentization, we deduct the material doses. In case of centesimal scale, we deduct the material doses in 1 is to 99 scale, where is the 1 part is the drug substance and 99 part is the vehicle. In case of decimal scale, we deduct the material dose in 1 is to 9 ratio. Here is 1 part is the drug substance and 9 part is the vehicle. The next is the 50 millisiemel scale. This is the very special scale, and in this scale trituration as well as succussion process both are applied. Scales of potentization for succussion. Succussion means 10 downward jerk or stroke. Dear student, again in the potentization we deduct the material doses. So in case of the centesimal scale, we deduct the material dose in 1 is to 99 ratio. Here 1 part is the drug substance and 99 part is the vehicle. Mostly ethyl alcohol is used. In case of decimal scale, the ratio is 1 is to 9. Here 1 part is the drug substance and 9 part is the ethyl alcohol or purified water as per the case of nature of drug. In case of 50 millisiemel scale, it is a special scale. In this scale, succussion and trituration both are applied. Product of dynamization. Dear student, after the potentization, we get a potentized medicines This is called the product of potentization, and these product we use for the treatment of patient. Potentization of medicine is the product of the process of dynamization. The following are generally used potencies on different scales. In the dilution bottle, there is written the name of the medicine and its potency. Potency is written in the number. It represents the product of dynamization and indicate which scale are used. If, for example, if there is written on the medicine bottle Aconite Naples 30C, that means the medicine is prepared from the Aconite Naples plant by the mother tincture, and that mother tincture is potentized up to the 30C in centesimal scale. 200C, 1M, cm, mm in the centesimal scale. In case of decimal scale, it is represented by the x. The x is denoted the decimal scale. If on the container written is 1x, 2x, 3x, 6x or 12x, it indicates these homeopathy medicines is prepared in the decimal scale, and the number indicate the potencies. In case of the 50 millisimal scale, because it is a special scale, the potency is indicated by the 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, 0 by 4 and so on in the 50 millisimal scale.